Thus far, we have embarked on a captivating journey through the annals of history, unveiling the fascinating mosaic of the Armanen rune system and illuminating each of the 18 symbols with their foundational meanings. Yet, these runes are not mere artifacts, lost to the dust of time. They are vibrant energies, pulsating with relevance and wisdom that can transform our modern lives. So now let us fast forward to the present, to explore the myriad ways these ancient symbols can enrich our lives today. In this segment, we'll delve into the necessary lifestyle changes that will help to set the stage for our transformative journey. Our lifestyle requires a thorough review, which could potentially result in a radical change in our current habits. Anyone involved in any form of occult training understands why this is necessary, and knows that qualities like calmness, moderation, and self-control are essential for achieving above-average personal growth. For our rune exercises to bear fruit, we must eliminate disharmonies, not allowing any discord to disrupt our physical and spiritual energy. Too often, occult practices fail because the required conditions are either not met or are only partially fulfilled. Only in a pure vibrational aura can the rune forces unfold their beneficial effects. Otherwise, they can potentially be destructive. Harmful habits hinder progress. Nicotine, alcohol, and other popular stimulants pollute and damage our physical body, and even more so, our subtle body, the etheric body, which Dr. Rudolf Steiner refers to as the body of formative forces. The same applies to meat consumption, which should be minimized. The body's vitamin balance needs to be increased, with raw plant juices, preferably homemade, providing excellent benefits. In general, a reformist lifestyle is recommended. For the open-minded reformer who seeks more than just a religion focused on metabolism and digestion, rune exercises provide an ideal solution. They further purify and strengthen the body, while also impacting the soul and spirit. This practice harmonizes the entire being and promotes inner development. Feelings and thoughts require just as strict control as physical desires, as they are what intensify bodily cravings. Emotional balance should be the fundamental attitude. The basic mood should be inner contentment, kindness, goodwill, purity in feeling and truth in thinking. For most of us, this is certainly not an easy demand to fulfill. Achievable only through unwavering strictness with oneself and constant monitoring of every emerging thought and feeling. Nothing is as detrimental as an uncontrolled, unrestrained emotional life. Uncontrolled thoughts, bad habits, lies, desires, and passions summon the demonic rune forces. This is a warning. The spiritual path and external life, esotericism and exotericism, are inseparable. Of course, the fundamental attitude that all esoteric schools emphasize, such as a natural lifestyle, positive thinking, and controlled emotions, cannot be achieved overnight. So don't be a fanatic. Nothing should be forced, as that would only lead to disadvantages. It's important to move at a pace that's comfortable for you. We have time. Rune work is life work.